every startup goes through tough phases in life, and for us, every day was a challenging day with lots of ups and downs. When I started off personally, had a tough time because there was a lot of emotional and financial gap which existed between me and my dreams. My parents, my father, who had his own business, wanted me to join his own business, and I didn't talk to him for 18 months before ET Power of Ideas actually came up, and we got coverage, came into the papers, and he realized, okay, paid बेचने वाले भी paper में आ सकते हैं, and somebody can go so big that they can shake hands with Narayan Murthy, with such a concept. That's the time when it all started happening. But there were tough times where we had zero money to give it to the employees. I still remember the days when I had to ask my gardener, I was not in a condition to pay him 5,000 a salary, and I said, okay, can I give you after 2 months because I don't have the money to pay to him. So from that day to today, we are hiring 17 people, and we pay huge sum of salaries to our middle management and top management. From there to now, there have been a lot of more challenges in terms of emotional gaps which every entrepreneur I feel faces in their own life. When family don't backs up, they feel क्या पागलपंती कर रहा है. Your friend says you gone mad from a multi-million-dollar job to doing something which youth doesn't associate much with, to your girlfriend leaving you, saying that she wants to go into a settled family. So there are a lot of challenges which happens to an entrepreneur, which happens to me also.